One thing I'm noticing is that the average person, they would just want to jump in. They wouldn't want to define the role of a system analyst, create the connection to Atlassian. What you're doing is you're putting effort in the scaffolding up front so that as you go along building, you don't run into kind of spaghetti code, undocumented code that you can't build on top of. Is that right?
That is absolutely right. The spaghetti code has a slightly different angle to it as well. Because oftentimes when people who don't understand code, and yeah, I have an engineering background, but I haven't done industrial level coding for like 15 years, we wouldn't be able to recognize when there are major issues in how the software is structured. And I read on Reddit a comment about vibe coding, which was saying something like, vibe coding is just the rebranding of unmaintainable, low quality source code. And it definitely hit home with me. So what I did, I created a spaghetti agent, which I think my setup called like code maintainability agent or something like that. But what I told that the spaghetti agent should do is that it should make sure that there are no circular references, that our commenting in the code is high quality, that naming conventions are followed. You know, these are things that as a product manager, I remember that we were always very mindful of when doing software development. So I just told the agent to watch out for these. And when I ran it for the first time on my code base, it did catch some of those issues.
Gabor has a course on Maven called Go from PM to AI Builder with Claude Code. It's a 4-week program. The pitch is simple. You ship a real app, not a prototype, not a certificate, an actual app on the App Store or Google Play with an AI feature built in. He walks you through the full stack you've seen today plus more. Claude Code, Flutter, Firebase. You get live workshops every Thursday, a build companion app with milestone checklists, and Gabor in the trenches with you until your app ships. It's $2,995, but you get a discount with my link in the description. That includes the full workflow, lifetime access to recordings, and a community of other PMs building alongside you. This is for mid to senior PMs who want to become AI PMs, but don't get to build AI products in their current roles. Technical ICs with a product idea, PMs in career transition who know a certificate won't differentiate them. You don't need to know how to code, you just need a willingness to understand how software works. The link is in the description. If you've enjoyed today's episode and thought, I want to build that, check out his course. I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.